Hi everyone. Today is our lecture number 4 and the topic is role prompting and persona setup. Imagine walking into a hospital and saying, "Explain my symptoms." Now, imagine you walk into a hospital and say the same thing but to a doctor. Who would you trust more? Who would give you a more proper response? That is the power of role prompting. When you assign the AI a specific role, you trigger it to use a more focused and relevant part of its training. Today, we will learn how to turn generic responses into expert advice by setting the right persona. Role prompting is when you tell the AI who it should act as before you give it a task. This helps the AI to set the tone and depth of the response. Choose the right vocabulary, adjust for the audience, and narrow its knowledge scope to what's relevant. Let's say you are planning a trip to Egypt and want help. If you go and type, "Give me travel tips," you will get a response. But if you type it like this, "You are a professional travel guide specializing in Egyptian culture and local experiences. I am visiting Egypt for the first time. Recommend 5 must see places plus 3 tips that tourists usually overlook." Notice what happened. You are not just asking for tips, you are asking a travel expert. The results will be richer, more relevant, and less generic. Here are some role examples you can try out in prompts. You can try role of a teacher to explain complex concepts simply. You can try the role of a therapist to offer emotional insight or self-reflection questions. You can try the role of a career coach to get resume help, interview preparation. You can try the role of a copywriter to do ad creation, product descriptions. You can try the role of a chef for cooking tips and recipes. You can try role of a data analyst to interpret datasets and trends. Here is a simple formula for role prompting. You are, and then your role comes, and then your task. You can also include context if needed. For example, you are a resume writing expert. Your task is to improve my resume bullet points to make them sound more action driven and results focused. Keep them short and bold. You can try a prompt on ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. For example, try this: "Help me write a business email." You will get a response. Now, involve the role prompting. Give it a prompt like, "You are a professional business communication trainer. Help me write a polite follow up email to a client who hasn't responded in 4 days." Keep it friendly but assertive. Compare the results. What do you think? Which one feels more professional? Which one had a better tone? Which one saved you more time? Now think of an area where you would love expert advice. It could be fitness, writing, finance, parenting, and craft your own role prompt. Try it like this: "You are the expert role, then help me with your specific problem." Role prompting is like putting the right hat on your AI assistant. When you name the expert, the model narrows its focus, gives sharper answers, and becomes far more useful. Don't just ask it what to do, tell it who to be. See you in the next lesson.